Hey, everybody. Gus, you have a big mouth. Be quiet. That's my chair, Sophia. Hey, Sophia. What are you doing? Get out of my chair, chick. Can I have a place to sit in my own living room? What do you want, fathead? Come here, look at Mama. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Oh, you're so sweet. Everybody look here, say cheese. Look up here, guys. Say cheese. Oh, shut it.